Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my channel. So today in this video I am going to show my earning proof of Shutterstock for the month of October. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. So I'm just going to type submit.shutterstock.com and I'm just going to click in the earning and then click in the earning summary, and after that it is going to give me the earning proof. So I'm just going to click in the up review. Okay, so now you can see I have total 8 sales and I got total 1.20 cent only. Okay, so it is not enough amount of money, but it's a little bit of passive income source. Okay, so now we can see here in the 2023 for Truebill, I got one sale that was 10 cent only. Okay, and in the 20 I got one sale that was only 10 cent. Okay, and in the 24 of April I got one sale that was for the 10 cent only, and in the April 27 I got the higher sales in the April month, that was 4 sales, and that was the total amount 59 cent. Okay, and in the April 28 I got 1 cent and I got total 0.31 cent. Okay, so guys, I got total 8 sales on my Shutterstock, and if you want to also earn money from Shutterstock, if you want to send your photos or digital things such as stock footage, then in that case we can sign up from the given link in the video description, and I'll I will give the link in the comment pin also. Okay, so I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.